Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn the back of your iPhone into a button in iOS 14. So for doing this, just go to the settings, just find your accessibility, so just open it. Now just scroll down and here you will see touch. So just scroll down and here you will see back tap, so just tap on it and now you can see double tap and triple tap. So here you can also choose what action you want to add to this double tap and for here for triple tap. So just choose, and so for example home, and now just go back. Here you can see that we successfully changed it, and for example this one, lock screen. So now it's successfully changed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.